Welcome again, students. Today's topic will be sexual reproduction. As I told you, what is sexual reproduction? In which sexual reproduction is that in which two parents are required. That means fusion of male and female gametes take place. So first we will read in plants ki how sexual reproduction takes place. Here first we will read ki what are the parts of a flower. As we know, in plant, flowers are the reproductive part in plant. Flowers are the main reproductive part. In this, first I will tell you what are the parts of flower. As you also read this in previous classes as well. First, I want to tell कि the green part, which covers the flower in its bud stage, this is known as sepal. Sepal, it always in group. In group, it is known as calyx. Okay, and the colorful part of a flower, this is known as petals. It is also in group. So in group, it is known as corolla. In high classes, you will read about this as well. And the long part from here to here, this is known as carpel, pistil, gynoecium. By three names it is known. Now the third part, the important part, that is male part, it is also known as female part. This is female part. Female is denoted by this symbol. This is also important part. This is male part and it is known as stamen. This is male part of a flower. Okay, and the female part will produce its gamete, that is sex cell, and stamen will produce its gamete, that is male gamete. This we will read in later videos or later on. Now I want to tell you some parts of a pistil and some other parts of stamens. Okay, the first part of pistil is stigma. The topmost part, that is on the apex, it is known as stigma. The middle part is known as style, and the broadest part at the bottom, it is known as ovary. And every part has its function. हर part का एक function and specialized function, and which is very important during fertilization. As stigma, as name indicates, stick होना. That means it stick the male gametes which is coming from male part. उसको यहाँ पर ये चिपकने का मौका देता है. Okay, the style. The second part is style, which gives path to male gamete to reach the ovary. ये उसके लिए वे रास्ता देता है ताकि वो ओवरी तक पहुंच सके. एंड ओवरीज फंक्शन इज, ओवरी का फंक्शन क्या है? ओवरी कंटेन्स ओव्यूल्स, दैट मीन्स फीमेल गैमेट्स. इट कंटेन्स फीमेल गैमेट्स. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द मेल पार्ट, दैट इज stamen. Stamen consists of a four-chambered anther. It is male part. It contains male gamete. As you know, ovary contains female gamete, anther contains male gametes, and this is known as filament. This is known as filament. Okay. Now, if you cut it, you will get a four-chambered figure like this, and inside this you will get the pollen grains, that is male gamete. Pollen grains मिलते हैं इसके अंदर, pollen grains, which is known as male gametes. Inside this ovules are there. Ovules are known as female gametes. Okay. Now, two types of flowers are present in the plant kingdom. दो प्रकार के फूल होते हैं, which contains both the sex organs in a single flower, it is known as bisexual flower. Bisexual flower. Two terms are there. Bisexual flower. This you will also read in previous classes as well. Bisexual flower, which have both the sex organs in single flower. सिंगल फ्लावर में दोनों सेक्स ऑर्गन है, दैट मीन्स स्टेमन भी उसी में है एज वेल एज कार्पल भी उसी में है, पिस्टल भी उसी में है, so that is known as bisexual flower. The example will be hibiscus, sunflower, tomato, potato, etc. Okay, and one more type of flower is there, unisexual flower. Unisexual flower means which contains only single sex organ, that means either male or either female, which have either male or female sex organ. That is या तो मेल स्टेमन ही होगा या पिस्टल ही होगा. So this type of flower will be known as unisexual flower, and the example will be cucumber, pumpkin. You have seen two types of flower in pumpkin, that is which has fruit below the flower. This flower will be known as female flower. And you have seen a flower in pumpkin plant which contains only flower. दो प्रकार के फूल, two types of flower you have seen in pumpkin plant, जिसमें नीचे से फल लगा होता है, फ्रूट लगा होता है, फिर उसमें फूल निकलता है. That will be known as female flower. And a male flower which does not have fruit below it. So this type of flower will be known as male flower. And one more type of plant is there which has या तो उसमें फीमेल ही होता है पूरा, या पूरा ही प्लांट क्या होता है, मेल होता है. papaya plant is that type of plant which contains, पूरा प्लांट ही इधर फीमेल होगा या इधर मेल ही होगा. पपाया प्लांट, पपाया में दो प्रकार के प्लांट होते हैं which has, एक में तो फ्रूट्स लगते हैं. That type of plant will be known as female plant, and it will be also known as pistillate plant. And another type of plant in which only male flower are there, that will be known as pistillate. Pistillate means female plant, and staminate will be male plant. The next topic is pollination. Very important, और because अगर ये ना हो तो फर्टिलाइजेशन भी ना हो. अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होगा तो फ्रॉम वेयर वी विल गेट फ्रूट. फिर फ्रूट नहीं मिलेगा, फ्रूट नहीं मिलेगा, सीड नहीं मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स फर्टिलाइजेशन होने के लिए पॉलिनेशन का होना बहुत जरूरी है. सो व्हाट इज पॉलिनेशन? पॉलिनेशन इज द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स. पॉलिनेशन, पोलन से ही पॉलिनेशन बना हुआ है. पोलन ग्रेन्स का यहां से उठ के यहां आ जाना, दैट मीन द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम एंथर टू स्टिग्मा, दिस इज नोन एज पॉलिनेशन. ओके, तो पॉलिनेशन इज व्हाट? द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम anther to stigma. This is known as pollination. That is known as pollination. सिर्फ इसका यहां पे चिपक जाना, that is known as pollination. It is of 2 types. ये 2 टाइप्स का होता है. First is known as self-pollination. And next, the other type is cross-pollination. सेल्फ, एज नेम इंडिकेटिंग सेल्फ, अगर एक ही फूल का लेट्स सपोज ये दोनों एक ही फूल के पार्ट हैं, एक ही फूल में है, अगर इसका पोलन उठ के इसमें चिपक जाता है सिंगल फ्लावर का, इसी फ्लावर का इसी में, तो इट विल बी नोन एज सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. सेम फ्लावर, इट टेक्स प्लेस इन सेम फ्लावर, मीन्स इसी फ्लावर का एंथर इसी फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा में चिपक जाएगा, तो दिस इज नोन एज सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. एंड व्हाट इज क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन? क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन मीन्स दूसरे फ्लावर का एंथर में से पोलन आता है और स्टिग्मा पे चिपक जाता है, दैट विल बी नोन एज क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम एंथर ऑफ वन फ्लावर टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ अदर फ्लावर. So this will be known as cross pollination. And how it takes place? कैसे होते हैं क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन? बाय द मीन्स ऑफ वाटर, एयर. बायोटिक फैक्टर्स आर देयर एंड एज वेल एज एबायोटिक फैक्टर्स आर देयर. बायोटिक फैक्टर मीन्स बाय विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. जैसे यू सॉ कि जो हनी बी है वो आती है पेटल्स में से नेक्टर लेने के लिए, तो उनके पैरों पर, उनके पंख पर, उनके विंग्स पर ये पोलन चिपक गए. एंड लेट्स सपोज वो दूसरे फ्लावर में गई वही नेक्टर लेने के लिए, तो उसके पैर पे लगे हुए जो स्टिग्मा है, उसके पंख, विंग्स में जो लगे हुए स्टिग्मा है, तो वो पोलन है, वो फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा पे चिपक जाते हैं. तो दैट इज हाउ इट टेक्स प्लेस. विद द हेल्प ऑफ एयर इट कैन बी डन. एयर से कैसे होगा? हवा आई, एयर ब्लो हुई और इसके एंथर उड़ के इसमें बैठ गए, इसके पोलन उड़ के इसमें बैठ गए. So that is how abiotic factors are there as well as biotic factors are there by which self pollination and cross pollination take place.